Okay. I wanted to get to this question while we still have a little bit of time. Alan Krantz yesterday in the live chat for part one asked a question that I apologize, Alan Krantz, that I missed it yesterday, but I thought this would be useful. As he asked, what ETF do we have in Argentina? I saw several people discussing Argentina stocks yesterday. And so I want to show you a few different ways that you can find ETFs and individual stocks for a particular country, like in this case, Argentina. I guess the news was a new president was elected, and that caused a pop in Argentina. So I want to go through a couple different ways that you can identify an ETF and, again, individual stocks in a particular country. So I'm going to start with the ETF database, and I'm going to go to the screener. You can use these direct links in our notes. You can also find a link to the ETF database in the links section on our homepage. So again, if I jump directly to the ETF screener, which you can find under the tools in the ETF database, and I say I want to find an ETF that's based on equity, and I want to see, you can select a region or a country. So if we find Central America, or Latin America, I find Argentina. We see there's only one that's listed, so I can select that region, and we see it comes up with this ARGT. So then I can select that, and we'll go to the actual profile for this ETF ARGT. So right now, this is the only ETF directly related to Argentina. It's long. You can see the holdings for that particular ETF. You can see how it's weighted. So it's market cap weighted, vanilla, broad-based. You can look at the holdings. I saw several people mention that they were playing Argentina using MELI, Mercado Libre. So that's obviously, and it has a heavy weighting in this ETF. So you can see other stocks weight and their weightings in this ETF by using this screener. So that's one way to find an ETF for a particular country, is by selecting the country or region using the ETF database screener. So I hope that helps. So another way using the ETF database is another tool called the ETF Country Exposure Tool, which again you can find under the tools, ETF Country Exposure Tool. So if you're looking for ETFs that have exposure to a particular country, you could scroll down. We can see Argentina. So now we get a list of over 100 different ETFs, and they're weighting based on their exposure to Argentina. So again, our ARGT is the highest weighted one, but you can see a number of other ETFs that have some exposure to Argentina. So then you can dig into those in more detail and pick the ones that has the type of exposure to a particular country that you would like. So again, couple different ways to find ETFs, either directly based on a country or with exposure to stocks in a particular country. Another way I find both ETFs and stocks directly related to a particular country is just by putting that country in the search bar in FinViz. So pretty much any page in FinViz, you can enter I just entered Argentina. You can see it will come up with first those that have Argentina in their name, and then those that have Argentina somewhere in their profile. So we can see that ARGT comes up right away as the top listing, and then you can identify the industry. In this case, again, this is an ETF, so that's another way to find ETFs for a particular country. And then we see a couple others, some banks, metal and mining, building materials, telecom, all directly, with Argentina in their name. If If you want to look at all of the stocks with Argentina in their profile, you can just right click and open a screener, and then you can filter this down further. You can see some of these are based in Chile, some in the US, but they have Argentina somewhere in their profile. So again, then you can filter that down based on the industry or other criteria, profitability, PE, etc. So again, a number of ways you can find ETFs and stocks based on a particular country. So we'll look at the ARGT. You can see it's run up. I guess that was the news on that election. So you can see it does pay a small dividend. It's optionable. You see its definition. All Argentina 2050 index. 80% of it's and American ADRs. So it's, ADRs, foreign stocks. So you can see it's run up quite a ways on that election. It's pretty high, so might get a correction, big gap jump at this point. I did plug this into the research tab in our ETFs Google Sheet, so we can also see the risk reward profile. For that ARGT. So again, now you can find this Argentina ETF ARGT in the research tab of our ETF Google Sheet. You can see it doesn't really have a whole lot of room to run at this point. It's pretty high. It's 52-week high. It's 49.31. That was the top. So it's making a new high. So it's we'll have to see, how much higher can it go. So a lot more risk at this point than potential reward. As you saw, we didn't identify any ETFs that allow you to short Argentina. So of course, this is shortable. So you could short the ETF. Could also look at those individual stocks like Mercado Libre, etc. if you wanted to risk shorting. But again, pretty exuberant run in Argentina right now, so shorting might be pretty risky. So again, I hope that answers your question, Alan, and helps everyone. Again, we'll leave that ETF in the research tab in our Google Sheet. So again, we can monitor it there. But again, since the risk reward profile doesn't really fit our desired factor 2 risk reward right now, we'll just leave it in the research tab, and you can always find that as well as other ETFs on other countries that we've done research on in the past. And again, we hope that all helps. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.